Take a ride in the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, alarm, tire pressure monitoring system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.